That looks pretty good. Save the web form. We can make this Tahoma just to match. I'm going to have to go 36 and resize the form. There. See what that looks like. Okay, and then when you go to publish, you just install your form and you take this JavaScript snippet. All right. Copy and paste that here. And that is your form. Okay, now this is the warning text that will appear above this headline in a graphic, and I'll show you that in a minute. And then the YouTube video and the image URL, those are for the 2-column squeeze pages that I'll show you in a little bit. Now, the other options here are your background color, the width of the page, and then a border would be like a solid border around the page, or you can round it and add a shadow, which is what I'm going to do right now. And I'm also going to add a big arrow. All right, so let's go ahead and publish that. Update it, click View Page, and there it is. Now, there's a couple things you can do here. For instance, this wraps around, so you could actually make this form a little bit bigger so it's up on one line, or you could make all the text bigger so it fills up 3 lines. All right, so to do that, you would just, let's say we'll make this 730. Let's just make it 750. All right, update that, hit refresh. Didn't help. Let's see. Let's go 36 font. Update. There we go. Okay. And notice how your text fills up this box. You know, if you have too much text, it'll run over. So you have to play with that. This is just exactly right. Also notice that, like I said, all of this text is Tahoma, not like what it looks like here. All right, so let's see what we can do about this button. And the cool thing is you can update this in real time. And so we just go in here. Let's see if we need to resize this. And maybe put this in the middle. See if that helps. Click Save Web Form. Go back to the squeeze page. Hit F5, and that looks a lot better. All right, notice how we have the rounded borders and the shadow. So if we want, we can go and just take those off. See what that looks like with just a plain page. Okay, and we can make the background white, which is FFF. Oops, FFF. There, now you have just a white page, and you've probably seen this before. Now let's say we want to make the background like blue, dark blue. And it's kind of purple. There's a light blue, something like that. All right. Okay, so now you have a blue background, and we want to add a border. Okay, looks pretty good. So there's a lot of things you can do with this. It's very flexible. You can play around with as much as you want.